Regarding the narration mentions that nobody stood up for him except for Abu Talha. Is this an exception to the rule for standing up for someone when you're going to give him salams?
It's an exception. Standing up is not the standing up which is prohibited, is the standing up which is to show respect. Here, the standing up is to meet. It's like somebody comes to you to the door in the house. I'm not going to stand up so the door is going to open by itself. I'm not going to. It's not. So I'm going to stand up to go and meet him. It's not the standing up which is prohibited. If people are sitting down and person came in, okay, and he is next to me, I don't need to stand up to him. But if he is far off, for example, you imagine here the Prophet of Allah in the masjid. He's having hundreds of companions. Imagine the prayer of the Fajr now. And there's a revelation of verses. Hundreds of companions. So he came from the end. So this person is not stood up because he reached him, stood up to shake his hand. No, he went to him to go, and he was running towards him. So he's running towards. So the standing is not for the sake of shaking the standing up to make it possible for him to shake his hand. If you understand what I'm saying. The prohibition is the one that, you are everybody sitting down. I've come to shake your hands and stood up. That's the prohibited. But if I want to stand up because you are next to the door, you're far off, I have to go and come to you and make it possible for you to stand up. Now, to shake the hands.